Hey, I'm driving again. So this is a tunnel which is basically 17 kilometers. I have to find the mileage for that. But let's make an interesting experiment. At the entrance, we have 9 degrees Celsius. Because the tunnel is so deep in the mountain, I show later how warm it gets. See you later. 1 minute later, 17 degrees. I'm now in the tunnel for 4 minutes. Check this out. 21 degrees. 25 degrees. 26 degrees. 27 degrees. You know, if I touch the window, oh, warm. It is still 27 degrees. It's going back down to 26. So it seems to me this was the maximum, 27 degrees. So if you feel uncomfortable in winter with the temperature, you know where to go. It's not a place for a picnic though.